Hello everyone, this is Eva from Dream Code Studios. You have probably heard me talking a lot about the importance of tracking your campaign. There's a good old saying, what's get measured gets managed. Today, I want to talk about how UTM codes can help you to track your digital marketing effort. Specifically, I want to talk about what UTM tracking codes are and why they're important. In the next video, I will show you how to actually create them and some of the best practice. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way, when I release content like this, you'll be notified. With that out of the way, let's get right to the point. Okay, first, let's talk about what UTM codes are. Basically, it is a snip of code that you can add at the end of a URL for any of your campaign. Adding the UTM code does not change the actual web page. If you remove all the code at the end, the same page could still be loaded as usual. There are 5 values that you can track with UTM code: source, median, campaign name, term, and content. Let's go over them one by one. First, UTM source. UTM source tells you where your traffic is coming from. For instance, is it coming from Facebook, Google, or Twitter? Next, UTM Median. UTM Median shows you the type or the category of your traffic source. Some of the common traffic sources are organic, paid, or referral. The next is UTM Campaign. It is basically the name of a specific campaign that you are running. For instance, for an e-commerce business, some of the campaign name could be Spring Sale 2020 or Christmas Sale 2019. The campaign name is something that your team could come up internally for all the campaign that you are running. If you have multiple links that point to the same URL, UTM Content helps you to differentiate which link was the one that got clicked. For example, you can have 2 links in your newsletter that point to the same URL, your homepage. UTM Content shows you which link was the one that got clicked and bring the traffic to your website. The last one is UTM Term. This is commonly used for Google AdWords. It tells you which keyword was the one that got clicked. Okay, now we know what UTM tracking codes are, why they're important. Why should you go through the hassle to create UTM codes for all your campaign? Well, it helps you to answer the most important question. Where is your traffic coming from? And the impact of your campaign. If you properly tag the URL with UTM codes for all your campaign that bring traffic to your website, you will be able to see and analyze the data in third-party tracking tool like Google Analytics. You can see the impact and the performance of all your campaign across different channels. For instance, at the basic level, you can see stats like click, bounce rate, and session time, how long they stayed on your website. If you have goal tracking set up in Google Analytics, which you should, you can see the impact of your campaign for your business bottom line. You can see how many leads a campaign is generated or even revenue. Great! Now we know what UTM tracking codes are and why they're important. In the next video, I will show you step by step how to actually create those codes, where you can find them in Google Analytics, and some of the best practice for creating a database to track UTM. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Have a great day!